Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech with Nash. You want to navigate your Mac like a pro? Today, I'm showing you the most known keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Let's go. Ever scrolling endlessly through a long document or web page? Instead of using your mouse, just press Command with up arrow to jump to the top and Command with down arrow to go straight to the bottom. Super handy for quickly navigating through long articles or PDF documents. When you are browsing the web, instead of clicking the back and forward buttons, just use Command with left arrow to go back to the previous page and Command with right arrow to go forward. This works in Safari, Chrome, and almost every browser. Have too many tabs open? Use Command with Option and right button to move to the next tab, and Command Option and Left to go back. No more clicking around. If you want to jump directly to a specific tab, just press Command with a number. So Command 1 will take you to the first tab. Command 2 will take you to the second tab, and so on. This works in most browsers and even in Finder. If you use full screen mode on your Mac, you can quickly switch between your full screen apps using Ctrl Left arrow to move to the left and Ctrl right arrow to move right. It feels super smooth, almost like swiping on an iPad. This is one of my favorites. Command with Tab lets you quickly switch between open apps. Just keep holding Command and Tab key to cycle through them, like this. These Mac shortcuts will save you so much time, whether you are browsing, typing, or multitasking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which shortcut you used the most. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.